get ready, start. Sir, I should like here to mention that the Railway Accidents Committee has referred to the fact that derailments are more on the narrow gauge and meter gauge sections. Now, it has also been pointed out that the narrow gauge sections over a period of 5 years have incurred a loss which works out to about rupees 22 crores. It is the total sum invested in the Chittaranjan locomotive works. If we are running the meter gauge and the narrow gauge lines at a loss, and if we are not able to maintain satisfactory efficiency of operation which the public have a right to expect, I would like to ask the minister whether political consideration should come in the way of our closing down the meter gauge and narrow gauge lines. I know that the question will be asked, what would the public have by way of transport if meter gauge and narrow gauge sections are closed down? My answer to that is that this has got to be a phased program. If we are not in a position to operate them at a profit, the railways themselves can run bus services. It is always open to the railways to expand their field of operation. I may mention, sir, that recently I had been to the United Kingdom and I had stayed at some of the hotels run by the British Railway Administration. They were extremely well run and well conducted hotels. It shows that the British Railways are not bound down only to running of railway transport. It is open to the railway administration to run transport services in those areas where meter gauge and narrow gauge lines were working and which had to be closed down because they were uneconomical to run. I would suggest to the railway minister to have a full-fledged enquiry conducted into the efficiency of operation of the meter gauge and narrow gauge lines. Sir, I would like to go on to another aspect about the efficiency of working of the railways. The Kunjuru committee has referred in details terms to the work of the railway inspectorate. I know that railway inspectorate is working at the moment under the Ministry of Transport and Communications, and they keep very close liaison with the Railway Ministry. Unfortunately, the committee itself mentions that the work of the inspectorate has been unsatisfactory at all times.